Hello everyone, welcome back to my live stream. Today we are going to be doing some Duolingo math. Specifically, our daily quest for today is that we have to complete 3 lessons, do 3 math or music lessons, and score 90% or higher in 5 lessons. So I know that most of my viewers like when I do math, so we're going to focus mostly on math today, so I hope that's okay with everyone. Of course, if there is a language you would like me to try, just let me know in the chat and I'll consider it. So today in math, we are actually ready to start the March Madness, which times us on how fast we can complete math equations. I believe this is going to be on decimals and probably fractions, so I don't know. Let's see what's going on here. All right, we have 1 minute and 45 seconds. Let's go. Acute angle, that's a dart. Parallelogram, that's a right angle. Trapezoid, no. Okay, parallelogram, that's a trapezoid, that's a dart. That's a right angle. Obtuse, this is an acute, that's a kite, that's a parallelogram. Acute, parallelogram, obtuse, right angle, obtuse angle, parallelogram, kite, parallelogram. All right, so we did that. We earned 1 star. Let's see if we can earn 2 stars. All right, we have a parallelogram, it's a trapezoid, parallelogram, it's a dart, right angle, obtuse angle, kite, a dart, acute angle, parallelogram, obtuse angle, acute angle, obtuse angle, a dart, parallelogram, obtuse, it's obtuse, kite, right angle. Big G says, "A cute. Hey, what's up? How you doing?" All right, we earned 2 stars. Let's see if we can earn the 3rd one. Okay, we got acute, obtuse, parallelogram, right angle, parallelogram, obtuse, parallelogram, dart, right angle, obtuse, kite, trapezoid, acute angle, dart, parallelogram. Oh, that's not a right angle. That's a right angle. This is an acute angle, parallelogram. Oh gosh, obtuse, parallelogram, right angle. All right, and we earned 3 stars. So that is the way to do it. Matthew, hi. What are we learning today? Today we were just doing the March Madness, which is basically solving as many equations as we can. But I think today we're going to focus on some fractions and decimals mostly. That's really what this one. Angelic Demon says Ni Honjin. I'm not sure what that means, Angelic. Unfortunately, I only speak English. What language is that though? What language are you speaking? All right, follow the pattern. So we have some acute angles. So we know acute is less than 90 degrees. So we'll go with this one here. All right, parallel would be this one. Perpendicular would be this. And then neither right here. Obtuse angle would be more than 90 degrees. So let's go with that one. Comedy calculations says, ooh, math. Yes, we are focusing on math today, specifically geometry. So yes, the answer is 135, obtuse angle. All right, so now we have to choose all the acute angles. So if we remember, acute angles are less than 90 degrees. So it would basically be this one, and this one. This last one here is an obtuse angle. So that wouldn't be the answer. Yes. Christy Hernandez. Hey everyone. Welcome to the chat. Thank you joining. I hope wherever you are, you're having a fantastic day. All right, here we have to create a shape with exactly one pair of parallel lines. Okay, so I guess if I do a square, that should do it, right? Something like this. Well, does it need to have only one pair, or can it have two pairs? Like, I don't know. Would I get this wrong if I don't? That's, I'm not 100% sure. Okay, let me like slant it a little bit so that at least that's parallel. Oh, Christy says yes. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to, let's see. All right, we got it right. Yay us. Okay, type this angle. All right, so let's see. We have what would this be? 90, 50. So what would this be here? Would this be 155? Okay, Christy thinks 155. Comedy Calculations says 165. Okay. Okay. I don't know. I feel like it's 165 too. I think because I'm not sure if it's counting by 15. So it's like 15, 30, 45. I'm not sure. I think I'm gonna go. Okay, Christy says 165. Okay, 165. Okay, let's do 165 degrees. Let's see. That was right. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, select an angle that is obtuse. So we remember obtuse is more than 90 degrees. So it would have to be this one right here, the 120, right? This 60 is acute, and these two 90s are right angles. Yeah, you guys are right on the money. All right, create lines that are parallel. Oh, this is pretty easy. We'll just have to make this one straight, and that's already straight, so that should be parallel. Yes. Create an angle that is 75 degrees. Okay, so that would basically mean putting the arrow right here. That should be 75. Okay. 10 in a row. Okay, create lines that are perpendicular. Okay, so perpendicular lines have a 90-degree angle in the middle. So I believe if I stretch this out a little bit and then move this over here, can this go up? Okay, so that should be a perpendicular line. All right, match the pairs. Trust me, I'm a quantum physicist. Oh, so you're really good at this stuff then. This is like baby work to you. You can do this with your eyes closed. Oh, that's awesome. Wow. Okay, so all right. Okay, so parallel lines, we know that would be the trapezoid, right? Neither. I guess would be this one down here. And then perpendicular is this one with the 90-degree angle. Okay, select lines that are perpendicular. Okay, this one's perpendicular. This one is parallel, so that is not the right answer. Yep. Okay, select an angle that is obtuse. So we have two 90-degree angles, a 105 angle, and a 75-degree angle. So obtuse is more than 90 degrees. So we are going to go with 105. Yep. Oh, word problem. Okay. I love making pies, even pie charts. Each pie slice has an angle of 45 degrees. What's the measure of two slices? Okay, so you can either do 45 times 2 or 45 plus 45, which is 90 degrees. Oh, comedy calculations. Yep, you got it. 90 degrees. Okay, so we got a perfect score. Take a bow. We got roses. All right, so we're just going to watch this ad very quickly and then we'll move on to the next lesson. But I do want to thank you all for joining the live and participating. I really appreciate all of you who are here right now, and I hope that
Get more with super
are enjoying the live and having fun. You know, learning is fun, practicing is fun, and the more you practice and the more you practice math, the better you'll get at it. I one time was not good at math, but the more I studied and practiced, I got good at it. So, you know, all it takes is practice. So don't be upset or anything if you didn't get all of them correct. It's okay. But let's move on. Okay. We can either, because since we have a quantum physicist in the chat, why don't we play like one of these math games? I think that would help us with, okay. We have Math Paths, Cash Dash, Magic Square, or Secret. I actually like Secret Equation. I think that one could be fun. Let's try that one. Okay, guess the equation. So it says 2 plus 3 equals 10 divided by 2. So I'm just going to type that in. 2 plus 3 equals 10 divided by 2. All right, so anything that's green, that means that the number actually or the equation actually belongs there. So what could this be? And this is actually not division, so it's either addition or subtraction or multiplication, and it's not 2 or 3 or 0, so they grade out those numbers. So we have to use what we have. Let's see, what about how does this guess the equation work? You have to basically literally guess the equation. You type in numbers, and you get you get 4 guesses to get the actual equation right. So in this example, it's saying 2 plus 3 equals 10 divided by 2. So we know that 2 plus 3 is 5. 10 divided by 2 is 5. So 5 equals 5. So we just have to make sure that one side of the equation equals the other side. But what we're doing is trying to guess what the computer's equation is. So whatever's in green, that means that we have it correct. So that means that the first side of the equation actually is addition, but the second side is not division, but the 1 does belong in that box. Hopefully I explained that correctly, or in a way that is easy to understand. Maybe after I do the second line, the second guess, it will make more sense. So we know that it's not 2 or 3. So what about 6 plus 4 is 10, and Comedy Calculations is saying, 4 plus 3. Okay, let's try that. So we have 4 plus, we can't do 3 because if you see here on the number pad, anything that's grayed out means that is not the answer, so we can't use those digits. So we know that 0 is not in the equation, and neither is 2 or 3. And we also know that division is not a part of it. So it's either addition, subtraction, multiplication, and we're using the numbers 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Yeah, I'm sorry, I forgot to explain that part. That's my bad. Don't worry. Don't worry at all. That's my bad. Oops, I dropped my pen. Okay, so I really like this game. It's challenging, but it's fun, you know? So I think, let's see. I was doing 4 plus 5, but okay, wait, you have 1. 1 plus 6. Okay, let's try that one. 1 plus 6 equals 15 minus 8. Okay, let's see if that's right. All right, so we're getting closer. The yellow options are in the equation, but in a different spot. So I think here we would just have to make the 6 put the 6 where the 1 is and the 1 where the 6 is. So the equation here would be 6 plus 1 equals 15 minus 8. And there we go. We guessed the equation. Yay, that was really cool. That was fun. I hope you guys enjoyed that. So that's just one of the many features that Duolingo offers. It's a very nice way to practice your math and exercise your brain. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was really fun. Okay, so let's just open up all of these chests. Very nice, very nice. Okay, so we completed 3 lessons and we did 3 math or music lessons. But we still need to score 90% or higher in 5 lessons. Okay, let's go back. That was fun. Let's go back to geometry and complete some more lessons there. All right, so here we're just matching the pairs. We have a parallelogram, a perpendicular, and this is neither perpendicular. So let's just move this up a little bit, put you over here, and there we go, perpendicular. Parallel. So, okay, select a pair of sides that are parallel. So this is a trapezoid. It will be this one and this one here. Obtuse. So, we remember obtuse angles are more than 90 degrees. So it would be this 105, 150, and 120. Type this angle. Okay, what would this be? Okay, so you have 0, 15, 30? Would it be 30? What do you guys think? I think it's 30. 30 degrees? Yeah, let's try 30 degrees. Oh, okay, got it right. Okay, our right angle is this one here. Uh-oh, did I go out again? Are we still live? We're still live. Okay, I thought something happened. All right. Create an angle that is 120. All right, that's simple. Just move this right here. Create a shape with exactly 1 pair of parallel lines. So usually just do something like that. A trapezoid. Oh, I did for a second. Oh, okay. I don't know. I think I need to look into a new streaming software. Right now I'm using Streamlabs for the iPhone, but it does me dirty all the time, and I'm not sure what settings I'm supposed to have it on, but that'll be my homework, is looking for a new streaming site. Okay, obtuse. We're getting through this pretty quickly. All right, another obtuse angle would be 105. This angle, that is 90 degrees. Perpendicular. All right, so let's just move this right here, and there we go. Acute angles would be these down here. Oh, word problem. I've glamorized my room with 2 perpendicular pink lines. What's the measure of the angle between the lines? Oh, well, this is simple. We know that perpendicular lines are 90 degrees, so it would definitely be the first one. And just like that, we have a perfect score. Vikram is doing a split. Duolingo is dizzy. All right. Oh, let me pause. Mute the ads, because yesterday, it went out again. Oh no. Yeah, I really have to look into a new streaming system. Yeah, that's frustrating. Okay, looks like it says warning. Stream's current bit rate is lower than the recommended. So what am I supposed to do about that? it's recommended that you use a stream bitrate of 6800. Okay, I don't know what that means, but let me write that down. 6800 kbps. I don't know what that means, but I think if I go in my streaming settings, I could probably fix that, and hopefully that'll help me out. Okay, 90% or higher. So we need to do 2 more lessons. Let's keep going. I'll go until the stream says no, basically. All right, so 1 more lesson in geometry. All right, we have our acute angles, parallel, perpendicular, neither, obtuse, perpendicular. Oh, what is this? Perpendicular. Just move you right there. Parallel lines. Oops, there we go. Type this angle. Oh, we did this one already. 30 degrees. Parallel lines would be these right here. Create an angle that is 165 degrees. So we did that already as well. That would be right here. Parallel, perpendicular, neither. Perpendicular. All right, 10 in a row. Acute. Boom, boom, boom. 2 pairs of parallel lines. So this time I'll create a square or a rectangle. That's more of a rectangle. Okay, parallel. So, okay, let's just move you over here. If a number is in between 2 numbers, then you add the numbers, then divide by 2. Example, if it is between 5 and 3, you add 5 plus 3, which is 8, then divide by 2, so it's 4. Oh, I did not realize that. Okay, so basically, like, for example, what is it called? When we're trying to figure out the degrees, I would just add the 2 numbers in between. Let me see something. So say I have something is between 2 numbers. That's interesting. So if I had like 10 and 5, that's 15. Okay, what if it's an odd number? Well, then it would just be 7.5. Okay. Okay, I think, yeah, that's a good tip. I'm going to remember that. That's really cool. Decimal, yeah. Oh, Carlene says comedy is very smart. He is. He's actually a quantum physicist. So very, very smart. Yeah, so let's see. 2 pairs of parallel lines. Okay, we'll just make a rectangle again. For my new business cards, I want a design that features an acute angle. Which angle should I choose? Okay, this is easy. We would choose the 60-degree angle because 90 degrees is a right angle, blah, 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 blah. I feel like I'm just repeating myself at this point. And there you have it, a perfect score. Okay, so let's mute the ads. Yeah. So I do want to thank you all for joining the live. We have so many people in here. That is so nice. So thank you all so very much. And I hope that you are all enjoying the stream. I do go live every day. So this is something you're into. Definitely subscribe, turn on your notifications so that you'll know when I go live. It's very sporadic, but it is every day. Just to let you know. Okay, so in order to open the gold chest, we need to complete 1 more lesson and score 90%, which I think we can do. It seems like we're on the easy side of Duolingo right now. Oh, wait, we're on to a new topic, left to right. I'm not sure what that means. I'll try to be online more. Oh, thank you. I really appreciate that. And, if you can't make it to the live sessions, you can always watch the recordings, but I know it's more fun to be here live because you can actually participate and stuff. But I do have a few people who watch the recordings and they always seem to like them. So yeah. Okay, so left to right. I'm not sure what that means because I don't, but I don't know. Let's click on it and see what we're talking about. Oh, left to right as in, okay. So 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 divided by... Okay, got it. So 6 times 3 is 18. 18 divided by 2 is 9. 9. Yeah. I believe the answer is 9. And it's also going in a pattern here. 3, 6, 9. Yeah. PEMDAS. Thank you. I could not remember. They're calling it left to right. And I'm like, I don't know what that is. But yes, PEMDAS, I do remember. Let me see. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. Yes, I think so. I remember I learned that, in 4th grade or something, or 5th grade. Okay, follow the pattern. 0.5 times 16, 0.5 times 20, 0.5 times 24. Okay, let's see. What would that be? 0.5, 10, 11, 12. Okay, I got 12. Oh, you also got 12. Okay, so I'm on the right track. That is good. Okay, 3 times 2 plus 2 is... Okay, 3 times 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So it would be this one. 1's 5. So yeah, it would be this one down here. 4 times 4 is 16 plus 8 is 24. So it would be this one here. And then 6 times 2 is 12 plus 5 is 17, which is this one here. Okay. Now we have 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 times 10 is 70. So which one is that? 10, 20, 30. Wait, did I do that right? Yeah, I did. 10, 20, 10, 20 plus 5. Oh, because you're supposed to follow. See, that's the one thing that Duolingo doesn't teach you, because they're all like left to right, but in this particular equation you can't go left to right. So you kind of have to know the back end of math, the logistics, which is PEMDAS, to solve this. Thank you, Comedy Calculations. So the answer is 25, which is this one here. But Duolingo definitely contradicted themselves, because the topic of this lesson is called left to right. But in that particular problem, you can't go left to right. Just the little flaws, you know. Okay, so with the second one here, we have 2 times 11, which is 22. Plus 5 is 27. 27, yeah. So it would be this one right here. And then we have 5 plus 3 times 10. So 3 times 10 is 30, plus 5 is 35. Okay, let's continue. Yeah, like, why are they doing this? Why? Anyway, whatever. I'm just not going. I feel like Duolingo needs to fix this, because it shouldn't be called left to right. It should be called PEMDAS, and they should explain what PEMDAS is so that you can solve these problems. Because why call it left to right when you can't actually go left to right? It doesn't make sense. But anyway, I don't know, that's just really frustrating to me, you know? All right, so 2 times 10 is 20, plus 5 is 25. 2 times 11 is 22, plus 5 is 27. And 3 times 10 is 30, 35. Then I feel like they just gave us the same problems again. Okay. Well, we got 5 in a row. Oh, wow. Okay, 0.25 times 12. All right, let's see. What would that be? 10, 6, 4, 2, 0, 10, 3. Bring down the decimal. So the answer is 3. What did you guys get? I got 3. Bring down the decimal. Yep, it's 3. Okay, so 3 times 2 plus 9. So 3 times 2 is 6. All right. Am I going the right way? Let me think about it. PEMDAS. Okay, yeah. So this would be 15. Oh, PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponents, multiply, divide, add, subtract. Yes, that is correct. I do remember PEMDAS from elementary school. I wonder who came up with that. Like, who said you have to do math in that order? I don't know. Food for thought. Okay, we have 0.5 times 4, which is, well, what is that, 2, right? You bring down the decimal. Yep, 2. 0.5 times 24. It's 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12. Wow, 120. That'll really get you if you don't move your decimal. Okay, 5 plus 2 times, see, they're doing it again. 5 plus 2 times 10. Okay, so 10 times 2 is 20. 20 plus 5 is 25. Oh, 0.5 is half. Yeah, I think I got that. So, okay, so yeah, this one is 25. 4 times 8 divided by 2. Multiply, then divide, right? So 24. So 32 divided by 2 is 16. Wait, am I doing that right? 1, 2, 2, 1, 2. Yeah, 16. Okay. So now we have 3 times 5 plus 1. So multiply, then add. So 15, that'll be 16. And then 3 times 2 is 6. 6 divided by 2 is 3. Oh, complete the equation. Okay, this one definitely will need some help here, yeah. Okay, has to equal 19. So what about let's see. Oh, okay. 6 times 3 is 18 plus 1 is 19. And we have, okay, so we'll multiply before we gotta go. How long do you plan to go? Actually, after this lesson, I'm going to leave because I should open the gold chest after this lesson. But yeah, I usually try to stay on for 30 minutes. I know I went a little bit over today, but yeah, after this lesson, I'm going to go as well. But if you have to go now, I understand. I do want to thank you for coming. I always enjoy seeing you here, and I really appreciate your participation. And hopefully I'll see you in another stream. So yeah, really appreciate you stopping by. Okay, so for this last one, what are we doing? Multiply first. That's 66 plus 5. 71. Okay. Move that there. All right, we got a perfect score. Bam. Oh, it took us 9 minutes. Whoa. Okay. And we opened the gold chest. Just like that. And oh, let's open another one. Sure, why not? I have time-ish, kind of. Oh man, we did really good today. Like, a lot of people came on. That's awesome. Wow, 256 people came on. I mean, not that all of you stayed, but that's awesome that so many people came through. I really appreciate it. So, wow, this ad is taking really long, but I am going to end the live after this ad. And I do want to thank all of you so much for joining. I really appreciate all of the participation and all of the likes and the hearts and all of the things. So, I will come back tomorrow, probably around, I'm not sure what time I'm coming back, but I will be back. And I just want to thank you all so much for joining. Have a great rest of your night, day, whatever it is, and I will see you all tomorrow. Thank you so much. Bye.